anywhere along this track gives you a landfall. Then you're looking at a Cat 2 somewhere around the Georgia-South Carolina border, transitioning to a Cat 1. So we're seeing a little bit weaker scenario, but for the next 24 hours, it's not weaker. You're dealing with a big storm here, and look at this. It becomes not necessarily a track, it just becomes like a big sort of blob, if you will, because it could affect the same areas twice. It would be much weaker, but it's possible that could happen. Just want to quickly show you what the wind field looks like. It extends about 60 miles from the center. So if you want to get out of hurricane force winds, and let's say you're in Melbourne, you'd have to go to Orlando or points west of that. Guys, I'll be tracking it all, but let's go back to you for the time being.
Okay, Lonnie, thanks so much. The storm is still causing major problems in the Caribbean.
This is on their security team, but completely dressed down.
Can you guys, do you have a picture? Show her feet. This is what threw me off and which totally proves what she's talking about. She's wearing Vans, I believe, in this photo. They are, I don't know, let's call it $45 shoes.
Right.
When was the last time you saw Kim Kardashian in $45 shoes? I'm not saying that this was done intentionally. What I'm saying is I think Kim, like you said, oversized sweatshirt, jeans, and Vans. She looks like she, you know, like I said, she has not worn anything under $500 shoes probably in the last 3 years.
Right.
So the question is this going to stick? Because this happens to a lot of people, that they get in a car accident, they change their life and this and that, and then all of a sudden they lapse back to where they were when they were living life day by day. And the question is Kim going to realize, you know, I mean, look, I mean, we helped make Kim, I suppose you could say, on TMZ, at the beginning of TMZ. And, you know, I know what it's all built on, and it really is built on this kind of opulence and aspiration and all this stuff.
It's the bottom line, isn't it? I mean, it all depends on how much, like Mike was saying, if they take
what kind of a hit are they going to take?
If they take a huge hit, then I think you got to go back to start inching back to doing it.
I don't think she's going to inch. I think she's going to lunge.
Hi, it's Mariana from Montreal, French City. My dad used to always tell me, don't show people what you have because there's always someone around the corner waiting to take it away from you. Now, if Kim Kardashian realized a while ago that this place is a target on her back, she wouldn't be in the situation she's in now. But unfortunately, it happened. And now, hopefully, she will learn from this, and her children will be safe, and so will she.
Yeah, no, I mean, again, the fact that she has kids does make a difference because she's not just doing this for her. We're going to move on.
Moving on to Chris Brown, we got him out in West Hollywood, and
where everybody is, by the way,
yes,
a particular place.
We'll get to that. We'll get to that. But we talked to him about the case, about the gun case, the gun assault case, the woman who accused him of pulling the gun at her house, his house.
We have told you this case has fallen apart. There is no way they're going to prosecute Chris for this, even though there were a tremendous amount of resources devoted to it, where they, you know, surrounded his house all day long. They arrested him, the whole thing.
Yeah, but
it's falling apart. It's not going to happen.
It is, but is Chris confident? Because, you know, he feels that
they're out to get him.
They're out to get him, that they have a vendetta left over from the Rihanna case. So does he feel confident this is going away? We asked him. Yes, he does. Very much.
How are you feeling about the result of the case? Did you expect that? What did you expect? They were going to drop it?
The smile. He didn't say much. The smile was like, what did you think?
And just so you know, what happened is law enforcement has now asked for a second delay because the DA says, look, we can't prosecute this case with this information. So there's really, what else can they do?
Yeah, he's got every right to smile. I mean, everything we've been told is they have a shaky victim. It's tough to put the gun on Chris. Like, everything's just lining up in his favor. So it kind of makes sense that he's smiling about the whole thing.
Yeah, no, he's not going to get prosecuted for this.
It does not look like it. You know what he is going to get, though? He's going to get a good meal.
He's going to get
apparently, at the very least, the meal that everybody in Hollywood wants.
This is the big place. I mean, we show you this before. We've talked to you about Boa. We've talked to you about Craig's. This is the new thing in L.A.
He was walking in a catch, and I tell you, we've noticed this. It's funny. You can tell when a new restaurant's catching on because we notice over the last 3 weeks, we have been shooting
1 person, 3 people, 5 people, 8 people, 11 people.
Yeah.
It's like catches now the place to be. Word of mouth goes around, and a celebrity goes here, a celebrity again. Then now everybody's
I think it was because I was there opening night, and so then people started to go there.
Yep,
but
that's definitely
when I was there, James Corden was there. He actually got into my photo booth with me, which was funny. They have like a video photo booth. Yeah, like right near the bathroom. You can do it. He like